Preparing for the future isn't always about the exciting plans we make. Sometimes it comes down to a simple yet crucial document: a will. No matter your stage in life, starting a family, running a business, or settling into retirement, having a well-drafted will is a pivotal step. So, where do you begin? How do you create a legally sound document that protects your loved ones and your assets? We'll guide you through it. A will is a legal document that outlines your wishes for your assets after you're gone. Without it, your estate could be controlled by state laws, which might not align with your intentions. Drafting a will reduces the emotional burden on your loved ones and ensures your intentions are crystal clear. From declaring yourself, handling debts, to making specific bequests, a will requires detailed attention. You might be leaving an heirloom to a loved one, naming a guardian for your children, or even donating to a charity. All of it matters. To see your wishes through, you'll need an executor. This individual or professional is responsible for executing your will's instructions. A will isn't just about the inevitable. It's about ensuring your legacy, simplifying legal matters for your loved ones, and making sure your life's work and possessions are distributed as per your wishes. Drafting a will doesn't have to be complicated. At SD Mayer & Associates, we're here to simplify your estate planning and tailor it to your specific needs. Take control of your future today. Contact us for a consultation and start drafting your will with the confidence that your loved ones will be cared for. Because peace of mind isn't just an expression, it's something you can plan for.